Hey, what's up guys? Today we have this Ford F-150 2010, and in this video we're gonna check the rear brake because it's stuck. So let's get started. As you see, the caliper is completely rusted. The brake pad is good. It still has a good meat on it. Yeah, we're gonna take off the caliper, lubricate everything and put it back so it will work properly. So let's take off this bolt right here and this other one right here. So this is a wrench number 10. Now we can take off the sleeve. Like this, all the way till it touches the suspension. So here is released, the bolt is not interfering anymore, so we can take off the caliper. Now let's take off the brake pads. So to take out these brake pads, we're gonna push them out this way. The inner one. Let's push back the caliper piston all the way back. Alright, this is it. It's all the way back. Let's get a little bit of lubricant here. Now the other one. I'm gonna put a little bit of lubricant at the end of this bolt right here. There we go. So now let's put back the brake pads. The one that has these 3 legs right here goes on the caliper, just like this. You just insert these 3 legs inside the caliper piston. Perfect. And now the other one goes in the caliper bracket, just like this. So the external one, you gotta put it in the caliper bracket, and the other one, you gotta put it on the caliper. Let's put back the caliper, just like this. Gotta move this bolt a little bit back so it will let the caliper come in, so it goes all the way in. We're gonna put a little bit of lube on this sleeve right here and on the tip of the bolt right here. And just make sure to put this rubber to this slot that it has right here, so it will grab it and stay in place. Same for this one right here. I'm gonna go all the way in and then slide it till it gets there. Perfect. Let's push it back and then you can match the bolt right here and the hole, so you'll get it into its hole. First one, and here the second one. You see that it's coming out. And now this one, you will see down here it's coming out on this end as well. Now we can tight socket wrench number 10, and this one. As you see now, the caliper and brake pads are free. They're not welded by rust. They can slide, which is what it's supposed to be. That means that the brake is working properly. And you will see that next, the rotor will be clear of rust. This is how you do maintenance to this kind of brake. If you have liked, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.